Ebonizing oak with iron acetate and a quebracho bark tea solution. This stuff's makes a mess. Wow, look at that. Made with quad 4 steel wool. Threw in some nails for good measure. That is black, black, black. Just for the hell of it, I'm gonna put some of this on the other side that I did not put the quebracho tea on. It is, because this definitely turned a lot blacker, a lot faster than any of the red oak that I've ever done anything with. These are rough spots, so I'll go across a few of them. What's the difference in the quebracho? Seems to be quite substantial. Hit subscribe, smash the alerts button if you want to see what this turns into.